Great. So now that you get the basic understanding of routing password recovery procedures, we're going to go ahead and move on to the implementation portion of it. We'll be using elements from these slides, including common reg, again, for Raman mode, and also using different registers. So from that, we'll get started on our locked out router at the moment. As you can see, we'll try to enable into the router. Seems like we can't get the password out. Oops. So we'll simply, what we have to do first is get into Raman mode. So just go ahead and power cycle. So we just turn it off and we'll turn it back on. Before these hashes complete, we'll just Control C. That will import the basic configurations of the router. So now that we're in Raman mode, we're gonna go ahead and put in our register to override config. Go ahead and reset. There you go. And now it's overridden our starter config. So now we have should have clean. Yep. Okay, configure terminal. There we go. Currently we have a clean router. We're just gonna go ahead and overwrite everything. So we'll just first of all change the host name to recovery. Change it to recovery. And then we'll start changing our passwords. So we'll do enable secret first. And we'll just do let's go off the number list. So we'll just do recovery 1. The line com 0. And we'll go ahead and put password recovery 2. And then our VPY lines, we do 0 to 15. We do password recovery 3. Now that we have reset our passwords, we just simply put up a banner. So we'll just do banner. Let's do let's say password recovered. Let the next user who powers on the router that the password has recently been reset. Now that we change the passwords for all of our router and our configuration, we'll just go ahead and put it back to the default startup. So we'll just do that. We'll just strictly config register 2102. I'll set it back to the default. After we do that, we'll just go ahead and do a quick copy from start. Save that. Save. And when we reload, we should get our configuration as we just made. There we go. Now we're back on our default register. Get our password first. Password 3. Oh, password. Oh, there we go. Recovery 1. All right. So now that we're in, see that our configurations from that last register has overridden our default register. Awesome. So there we go. That concludes our implementation of getting into a locked out router. Thanks for watching.